Now we're going to make a pinned back button with an accent ring. So to get started, we'll get together our shell, graphic, accent ring, mylar, and pinned back. And an accent ring is just a piece of aluminized mylar, very thin, that goes between the graphic and the mylar, and it kind of makes a nice little ring around your graphic. It's the solid colored ones are color on one side and then have a reversible silver back as well. You could use it on the silver side if you wanted to. So to get started, we'll start with the pickup die facing us. We'll insert the shell into the pickup die. The graphic goes on top of the shell, right side up. And the accent ring goes on top of the graphic, just like that. Mylar goes on top of the accent ring. Rotate the die table around, and then insert the pin back clasp side down with the pin across the top, just like that. Pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle up, rotate the die table around, pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle back up, and we have a nice accented button. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.